Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make $100 per day with your email list. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach your target audience and generate sales. In fact, according to a recent study by 𝗵𝗲𝗿𝗀 Company, email marketing is 40 times more effective than social media at acquiring new customers. So, if you're not already using email marketing to grow your business, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Building your email list. The first step to making money with your email list is to build a list of subscribers. There are a number of ways to do this, but some of the most common include creating opt-in forms on your website, offering valuable content in exchange for email addresses, running contests and giveaways, partnering with other businesses to cross-promote your email lists. Once you've started collecting email addresses, it's important to segment your list so that you can send targeted messages to your subscribers. This will help you to increase your open rates and click-through rates. Monetizing your email list. There are a number of ways to monetize your email list. Here are a few of the most popular methods. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale. Selling your own products or services. Offer your own products or services to your email list. Sponsored content. Promote other businesses' products or services in your emails. Paid newsletters. Charge a subscription fee for your newsletter. If you want to make $100 per day with your email list, then you need to start taking action today. Here are a few things you can do to get started. Create a plan for how you will monetize your email list. Start collecting email addresses from your website visitors. Segment your email list so that you can send targeted messages. Start promoting products or services to your email list. Remember, it takes time to build a successful email marketing campaign. But if you're willing to put in the effort, you can make $100 per day with your email list. For more tips and strategies on how to make money from your email list, be sure to check out the description below for links to my other videos and blog posts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.